Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Royal Oak Black Reference 15500ST. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the movement, try it on and give you my thoughts. The full reference number is 15500ST.OO.1220ST.03. Let's dive right in. This watch is a 41mm, that's from my thumb to my index finger, and uses a stainless steel case. AP really hit it on the head when you talk about sports watches / dress watches. The watch is only 10.4mm, that's from my thumb to my index finger. And if you like thin watches, you got to go with the Royal Oak collection, because that's what their other collection, the Royal Offshore, is much thicker. Okay, now let's take a look here at the bezel. One of their prime features is this octagonal bezel here. If you look at the polish on it, it's actually absolutely amazing. You have a high polish on the side right here, and then a brushed on the top of this bezel. And in fact, you even have these directional screws, and if you look closely at them, the way that you actually put them together is that you add the back case plus the case, the rubber gasket, and then top bezel. So you actually put that. You ever wonder how you get a hexagonal screw through the top or through this thing? How you turn a hexagonal screw? Well, actually you don't. What you do is put it through the top, then you sandwich these three pieces, and then you enter the screw through the back. That makes sense? So they did a really good job. And if you look at the polish on this thing, it alternates from brush to polish to brush to polish. And they actually did a really good job. And of course, that's probably why they charge what they charge. Okay, now let's move on to the dial. This dial, it actually looks kind of like gray black. It's a little bit hard to see from the video, but they have what's called like a mega tapestry dial. They actually make this watch in 4 different variations: black, white, gray, and blue. I think the black and the gray look pretty similar. This one's actually black, but this one has which is like a hallmark feature of the AP Royal Oaks, which is a grand tapestry pattern with white gold applied hour markers and Royal Oak hands with luminescent coating. Now, what does all that mean? Just basically means it has like a 3D dial, which looks really, really cool at night, and actually also looks very cool if you shine a light on it to see what it looks like at night, and that's what it would look like. It also has a date feature, as you see at 3 o'clock. So moving on to the bracelet, I think this is really where the AP shines. They do a great job and a great finish. And if you look at carefully, I'm trying to move it so you can see it alternates between brush finish and high polish finish. If you look at each of the edges, they really did a good job on it, and that's also, again, another reason why they probably charge what they charge. It's a stainless steel bracelet with the AP folding clasp. Now the mechanism is really where they have changed this version. If you look at the back, it has a gold rotor. Not a lot of watches have that. In fact, I can't really think of very many. Maybe AP, Patek, a few others. But yeah, it's a it's an updated movement. And if you compare this one to the older version, 15400, it's quite different. This is a caliber 4302 and has 257 parts and it has 70-hour power reserve. So it's really an awesome movement. If you look at it and take a look at it with a loop, you really see the craftsmanship in this movement. And that's one of the cool things. I like it that it has this exhibition case back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, I've gone through each of the parts. Now I'm going to try it on and give you my thoughts. For me, I'm a big fan of this watch. I'm a big fan of AP in general. I like that they're a sports watch. They are dressy, and they are stainless steel. It makes it very robust, very good looking, very dressy. And if you want to buy this watch, go to jazztime.com. That's JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.